Welcome to DU Studio. Today, we're diving into the world of modern luxury home design. Get ready to explore stunning interiors, sleek aesthetics, and innovative ideas that redefine elegance. Let's unlock the secrets of luxurious living right now. Join us as we examine the exterior design of modern luxury homes, highlighting the elegant tiled wall facades and sophisticated tiled walkways. This presentation showcases innovative architectural elements and refined craftsmanship that exemplify contemporary luxury living. Experience an inspiring exploration of premium exterior design. These stunning residences feature beautifully tiled wall facades and elegant tiled walkways that exemplify clean, minimalist aesthetics. With crisp lines and sophisticated architectural details, each home radiates a sense of refined tranquility, complemented by small, serene water bodies, meticulously manicured gardens, and lush lawns. These designs create a harmonious blend of nature and modern luxury. Modern luxury homes have stunning backyards with expansive swimming pools and sleek lines, perfectly complemented by elegant, thoughtfully designed gardens. These outdoor spaces seamlessly blend sophistication with comfort, featuring lush greenery, manicured lawns, and carefully curated plantings that create a serene oasis. Modern design focuses on clean aesthetics and harmony, offering the perfect backdrop for relaxing or entertaining guests. Every detail reflects a commitment to luxury and modern elegance, transforming outdoor spaces into private retreats. These luxury homes have elegant bedroom design. These bedrooms masterfully combine warm, inviting materials with contemporary sophistication. Picture stunning wood-paneled walls and rich wood floors that create a cozy yet refined ambience, providing a natural connection to nature inside the space. Complementing this are elegant contemporary tiled walls that add a touch of modern glamour. These luxury bedrooms design have large, expansive windows, which not only flood the room with abundant natural light, but also offer breathtaking views of the outdoors, enhancing the sense of tranquility and openness. Every detail in these designs is thoughtfully curated to blend comfort, style, and serenity, perfect for a luxurious, restful retreat. Modern luxury homes showcase the elegance of spacious living rooms. These interiors are designed to create a perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. Imagine beautiful wood bookshelves and paneled walls that add warmth and character, paired with stunning wood floors that ground the space with natural elegance. Large, full-height windows from floor to ceiling invite an abundance of natural light, bathing the room in brightness and offering breathtaking views of the outdoor landscape. These expansive windows not only enhance the sense of openness, but also seamlessly connect the indoor and outdoor environments. Every element in these living rooms is carefully curated to provide a luxurious and inviting atmosphere ideal for relaxing, entertaining, and making the most of modern living. Let us take a closer look at the epitome of modern luxury living, the elegant, spacious living rooms that seamlessly blend style, comfort, and nature. These rooms feature large, full-height windows from floor to ceiling, providing breathtaking views of the outdoors and flooding the space with abundant natural light. These expansive sliding windows open effortlessly to connect the indoor living area with outdoor spaces like pristine swimming pools and lush gardens. This design creates a harmonious flow, inviting the beauty of the outdoors inside and fostering a welcoming, open atmosphere. Inside, you'll find luxurious, light-colored sofas that exude sophistication and comfort, perfectly complementing the elegant ambience. Every detail in these living rooms is thoughtfully designed to offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living, creating a space that is both grand and inviting. These homes also have a sophisticated and designed spacious studies and office rooms. These elegant spaces are crafted to inspire focus and creativity while seamlessly blending comfort with style. Imagine warm wood-paneled walls and expansive wood floors that add richness and a timeless sense of luxury. Large, full-height windows from floor to ceiling flood the room with natural light and offer stunning views of the outdoors, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. These windows not only illuminate the space beautifully, but also bring the beauty of nature inside, enhancing productivity and tranquility. Designed with both function and aesthetics in mind, These offices feature sleek, organized layouts that promote focus and elegance, whether working from home or hosting meetings. These rooms exemplify modern sophistication and refined living. The bathrooms of these luxury homes is crafted with grandeur in mind, featuring a vast, open layout that invites relaxation and comfort. Every element has been thoughtfully designed to elevate the everyday routine into a lavish experience. At the heart of this space lies an opulent bathtub, a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. Imagine slipping into this oversized marble oasis surrounded by exquisite detailing and state-of-the-art features. Complementing the bathtub is a spacious walk-in shower with frameless glass, rain shower heads, and temperature controls for a tailored experience. The custom-designed vanity boasts dual sinks with gleaming gold or silver fixtures set against shimmering mosaic tiles. Every detail, from polished marble floors to ornate fixtures and plush towels, reflects a commitment to luxury and comfort. This bathroom isn't just a space, it's a personal retreat. One gets to experience the perfect blend of space, style, and serenity. This is more than a bathroom. It's a statement of elegance. These homes have spacious kitchen with sleek high-end cabinetry and state-of-the-art appliances. In these stunning kitchens, clean lines and premium materials create a seamless blend of functionality and elegance. At the heart of the home lies the lavish dining table, complemented by exquisite furniture that offers both comfort and class. The perfect space for memorable moments with family and friends. Modern artistic light fixtures add a touch of drama while illuminating the room with a warm glow. Overlooking these spacious rooms are expansive windows that flood the space with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look into luxury home design brought to you by DU Studio. If you loved exploring these stunning spaces, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architecture and interior design content.